It's a beautiful day at Sapporo today.
That's so beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Family selfie, 3, 2, 1, smile. Evan, come. Okay, photos are taken. Continuing our trip to Mount Moiwa. I keep calling it Moiwa. Temperature today is a nice and toasty 7 degrees. This is like almost the highest, and it's gonna go down to 2. Real feel is like -1. Multiple layers required today. Oh, look at this river, it's so nice. Random rivers are very beautiful in Hokkaido. Oh, it's not longkang lah. It's a river. And look at how clear the water is. I got a video, don't worry. Stay inside, darling. We are here. Why are you walking like that?
The wind is moving.
It's better to go upwards like that, is it?
Yeah.
I see. You think a cable car? Hiya. Welcome. Faster. Alright, so that's the mascot of Mount Moiwa. We're here right now, and then we're gonna take the cable car all the way up. But once you hit the middle station, you gotta take a special kind of car that goes all the way to the summit.
Stay in front.
Wow. I think we should stand in front. See the view. Wow.
お骨の一部、仏舎利とともに道内の戦没者の霊を祀ったイベントでもございます。
I can feel like going down.
Nice view.
We're here. Whoa. This is breathtaking. Good job, darling. Whoa. Look at that. Is the view gorgeous, darling? Most amazing view in the world. Did you manage to use your telescope?
Next stop.
Shiroi Koibito.
This place is like a miniature Harry Potter land. Yeah. If you look over there closely, let me try to zoom it in. What are you doing in here? Hi, can I come in?
Yes.
Okay, just checking. Oh, beautiful. So before we enter the park, lunch first. Trying this place in the theme park. Curry soup is famous in Sapporo, and we haven't tried it so far. And that means good to have this. Chicken vegetable, grilled cheese. Oh, look at that. Curry rice, mostly just curry rice. Lunch has arrived.
Itadakimasu.
I'm hungry, guys.
This is my burger steak, soup curry.
That you have not.
Stella's one.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
Oh, Stella's hungry. Oh, it's okay. And Evan, oh my gosh, Evan's already finished this dish. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Okay, entering the chocolate museum. Feels like entering the Harry Potter world. Because you look behind, you got like, hey, I thought there was a cat behind me. Oh, there you go, see? Wow. Oh, can you smell the chocolate?
Yeah.
Whoa. Alright. Oh! It's happening! It's happening! Yay! More! 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 Yay! Whoa, Mr. Lot, look here! Amazing chef! Gorgeous! 2 chefs ready to go. Whoa! Oh, drawing heart shape, huh? Yo. Oh, she's stirring some pink stuff. Oh, she's drawing a cat.
The crab.
Okay, nice.
You know what? I think I should color the
Oh,
whole
this
thing.
one's very nice. I like it.
I should color the whole body, right?
It's very beautiful. So this is what Evan's trying to make, and here's the output so far. Oh my. Kinda close. Good job!
They don't have orange.
The cats Stella's trying to build, of course 3 of them. That represents myself, Evan and Stella. And here's how they look like. A little bit spooky. Halloween edition. Walao, the eyes are bulging out. Sit closer! 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 Oh! You made it happen! We have made it! Yay! All very sleepy. Welcome to Sapporo Beer Museum. Why are you stuck there? Come down lah. Come to the Sapporo Beer Museum with us. Have some beer, okay? Non-alcoholic. Don't worry. So they have a tour. 50 minutes, adults, and oh, children too.
I should not.
That's pretty good. And so, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a big keg. This is where they make beer. Alright, you take us on a tour. Okay, you tell.
This tour guide is very bad.
Okay, you tell. You tell. Okay, go. Explain. Mm-hmm.
The big ball mechanism.
Of what? A big ball of what?
Mechanism.
Bacadillo.
And mechanism.
Okay. Keep going. This tour guide is talking too much. Keep going.
And then it comes out from there.
Okay, very good. I shall continue the tour. So I've got with me here the English version and translation. Right? Oh, he's back. Please disappear for a while. Starting from 1870
I'm
all
looking
the
a very
way.
good tour guide and reading all of this so that I can explain.
Okay, very good. Okay, shh. I'm showing people this.
These are very bad people. They
No,
don't.
they're not bad people. All the way to 2019. This is the current Sapporo logo. Ooh, okay. We got a Star Hall menu. We got all sorts of beer. Oh, there's no more beer at the bottom. It's closed. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
This is the one I came for.
Oh wow, is that alcoholic or what?
It's alcoholic.
But it's a tiny beer.
Yes, it's a tiny beer.
Wow, get us 2 please.
Yes.
Arigatou gozaimasu. What about you, Mr. Low? What you gonna get?
My beer.
That's juice lah. Okay, dinner time. Mr. Low's gonna take us there. Let's go. Woo! You've made it. Oh my gosh, this place smells really good. It's cheese and lamb. Kanpei.
So good.
The aftertaste, it's like barley.
Sweet after that. I think quite it.
Very easy to drink. Love it. I shall have more. First, you start off with the fat. It's how you eat Genghis kind apparently. They have a whole manual there. And then before you put the meat in there, you have got this tongs just for the meat so that you don't cross-contaminate. Cheese are the ones that take some time to cook. Mushrooms, pork in the middle. Straight into the mouth. Ooh, how does it taste? Absolutely incredible. Very hot, but very good. How good? Thumbs up if it's good. Ooh, la la. My turn.
Hey, my
Ooh, la la. Here we go.
You're
So tender. Mmm. And of course, they got a salt and pepper.
Mommy said that it's just like the beach place in Kobe.
Mommy, okay?
It's hot. I literally bring this everywhere, even though it's during winter.